Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. Depending on the year, Valentine's can fall in the middle of the week, like yesterday. Therefore, many will celebrate it this weekend. Here's a delicious treat for the occasion, and it's my chocolate cupcakes with raspberry frosting. Besides being pretty to look at, they're incredibly moist and tasty. Certainly perfect to make for your partner. So let's get cooking. In a mixing bowl, we'll add shaved semi-sweet chocolate, good quality cocoa powder, and here's the brand I use. It doesn't break the bank. Plus some instant espresso coffee powder. Medea Doro is the one I prefer. We'll now add boiling water. I know my water is a little dark because I used the same measuring cup that my cocoa powder was in. Not a big deal. So we'll stir until the mixture gets smooth but still thick, and we'll set aside to cool. Next, in a medium bowl, we'll combine flour, baking powder, followed by baking soda and ground sea salt. We'll whisk until well blended and set aside as well. Now, in a bowl of a stand mixer, we'll add an egg yolk as well as a couple beaten eggs. Both sugars, which are brown and granulated, and some grapeseed oil, although canola is another option. Using the paddle attachment, we'll process on speed 6 until smooth, about a minute. Then we'll add our chocolate mixture that had time to cool off. Look how decadent it is. And some pure vanilla extract before processing again on medium-low speed until mixed, about 15 seconds. It's pretty fast. Next, we'll add half of the dry ingredients and half of the vanilla yogurt. This time on low speed, we'll mix until just combined before adding the remaining dry ingredients and the vanilla yogurt. Once again, we'll process until just combined. If we overmix, the batter will get dense. Also, let's not forget to clean the sides and the bottom of the bowl, okay? So, when this nice and dark batter is mixed, oh yum, we'll evenly spoon it into cupcake liners, sitting in a standard 12-cup muffin pan. I like using an ice cream scoop because I'm clumsy. Plus, it makes it easier. Just to let you know, this recipe makes 18 cupcakes. We'll transfer the pan to a 350-degree preheated oven and bake for 19 to 22 minutes or until a cake tester inserted in the center comes out clean with just a few crumbs. We'll remove from the heat and allow to cool completely before decorating. Now, let's make the frosting. In the jar of a blender, we'll add raspberries and process until liquefied. We might have to stop and start a few times. Eventually, the consistency will be like this. So what we'll do is to pour it through a fine sieve sitting over a bowl, pressing down with the back of a spatula to extract as much as we can, and then discard the seeds. We don't want them in the frosting. Next, in a bowl of a stand mixer, we'll add cream cheese, unsalted butter, pure vanilla extract, and ground sea salt. Using the paddle attachment, we'll process on medium speed until the mixture is smooth, about 2 minutes, cleaning the sides and the bottom of the bowl. We'll now pour in the strained raspberry juice and process until nicely blended, cleaning the sides and bottom of the bowl. At one point, I like to bring the speed to high just to make sure there's no little pieces of butter or cream cheese. Working in batches, we'll add the confectioner's sugar. I usually roughly divide by 4. And on low, we'll mix until mostly blended before adding more. Again, let's not forget to clean the sides and especially the bottom of the bowl. Things always get trapped down there. When the sugar is all in, we'll increase the speed to medium-high and fluff the frosting for about 30 seconds. Before we start decorating, we'll do a test. Raspberries, just like most fruits, contain a lot of water. So to see if the consistency is fine, we'll take a spoonful and invert it. If the frosting sticks to it and doesn't fall back in the bowl, it's fine. Otherwise, if it's a little runny, simply add some cornstarch to it and process once again. It won't change the taste and will help to thicken the mixture. And my friends, these are our chocolate cupcakes with raspberry frosting. Deliciously sweet and moist, these colorful little guys are great to make anytime. They're perfect for all the chocolate lovers out there. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!